Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20826, super nice 2007 Doosan GC25P-5. It's a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with a 3-stage mast, is approximately 186 inches of lift height. Wade's gonna run it up for us real fast. This unit does have side shift, plus 42-inch forks. It's running the smooth Hyundai 2.4 liter LP gas engine, automatic transmission. Has a new PM service, recent repairs, brand new paint job, ready for work. You can check out this forklift online at abetterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. We appreciate the time for watching. Thank you much.